Okay, so now we have to see what comes after the given numbers. Okay, so this is 201. What comes after 201? 202. Then 203. What comes after 203? 204. What comes after 205? 206. What comes after 207? 208. In the same way, you have to complete the whole sheet. Okay, this sheet, then this sheet, then this sheet, this sheet, this sheet, this sheet, this, 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 this till 500 here. Okay. Okay, so now LKG students, we have to write the missing numbers. Okay, let's read the number 201, that is 201. What after that is 203. So what is missing here? 202. So let's read now 201, 202, 203. What will be in between 203 and 205? 204. 204. Let's read again 201, 202, 203, 204, 205. And what will be after 205 and before 207? 206. Okay, let's read again 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207. What comes after 207 and before 209? 208. And after 209 is 210. Same way you have to read the number and see what is missing before the number. Okay, so 211, what will come here? 212. 213, what will come here? 214, 215, 216, 217, 18, 219 and 220. Same way you have to do the next worksheet. Okay, then again from 241 to 260, complete this page. Then again 261 to 280, complete this page. Then 281 to 290, 300. Okay, then from 301 to 320. Okay, then again 321 to 340. Then again 341 to 360. Okay, on the next sheet we'll do 361 to 380. Then from 381 to 400. Okay, after that 401 to 420. Then 421 to 440. Okay, then 441 to 460. After that 461 to 480. After that 481 till 500. Okay, so we have to finish all the sheets till number 9090 till 500. Okay, now what we are going to see? We are going to do the reverse counting. Okay, let's see. This is at number 10. What is before 10? It is 9. We'll write 9 here. Before 9 is 8. Before 8 is 7. Before 7 is 6. Before 6 is 5. Now if we start from 5, the number before 5 is 4. Before 4 is 3. Before 3 is 2 and 1. So if we go straight counting, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we go reverse, we come back 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is how we do the reverse counting from 10 to 1. On the next sheet, we have to write the numbers in reverse counting. So this is 1, 0, 10. Before 10 is 9. Before 9 is 8. Before 8 is 7. Before 7 is 6. Before 6 is 5. Before 5 is 4. Before 4 is 3. Before 3 is 2 and 1. So let's read them in reverse order. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, 10, we'll write 10 here. Then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, leave 2 boxes. 1, 2 and start again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We have to write at least 3 times. Next, the topic is addition. Okay. We will add. Let's see the picture, count them and write and add. Okay. 1 plus, the sign for addition is plus. Okay. 1 is equal to how many? 1, 2. So what is the answer? 1 plus 1 is 2. I can write this number here also. This is 1 and this is again 1. So if I add 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. Same way I have written here, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, let us count this now. This is 1, 2. Okay, so these are 2 mangoes. 2 plus, how many mangoes are here? 1. So 2 plus 1. Same way I am writing this here, 2 plus 1. Let's count in total. 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 2 plus 1 is 3. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So we write 3 here. Plus, how many are these? 1, 2. I am writing 2 here. So how do we write? How do we sum them up? 3 plus 2. Let's count in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are 4. How many are these? 1, 2, 3. So let's write 3 here. So 4 plus 3. Let's sum them up. 4 plus 3. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Okay. Let's see what's on the next sheet. Same way you have to do the addition here also. You will count, you'll write, then you write plus here, then again count, write the number here, count in total and write the answer here. Same way here, count and write, then count all of them together and write the answer here. Okay, same way you have to do this one. Here, ma'am has made made balls for you over here. So you also will make these balls or circles, whatever you call them. So let's see this one now. This is number 2. I'll make 2 circles. 1, 2. This is 3. I'll make 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I'm going to add them up or sum them up or count them together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. We'll write 5 here. Again, for this question, this is 4. I'll make 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number is this? This is 2. I'll make 2 circles. 1 minus. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to count and subtract. Let us count. This is what is the question here? 4 minus 2. So all together these are 4. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 2. Minus means we have to strike off. So how many will strike off? 2. So 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2. What is the answer? 2. Okay. So these are in total 2. How many we have to strike off? 1. So I am striking this one off. How many are left? 1 is left. So we'll write 1 here. Same way, let's count. What number is this? This is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces are there. How many I have to strike off? 2. So 1, 2. How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's the answer? The answer is 5. Now let's see how many are these. These must be 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many we have to strike out? We have to strike out 5. So let's strike out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So 3 are left. Okay, let's see what's on the next sheet. Same way we have to do this sheet. Okay, strike out the number that is given after the subtraction sign. Okay, next here again we'll make balls or circles. So this is number 3. First we'll make 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. What's the next number that we have to subtract? That is 2. So I'll strike out 2. 1, 2. How many are left? Just 1 is left. So we'll write the answer 1. Now what is this number? This is 4. I'll make 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the next number? Subtract 2 out of 4. So how many I have to strike off? 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2. So I write 2, the answer here. Same way we'll do this one. How many are there? These are 4. So I'll make 4 circles. 2, 3, 4. How many I have to strike out? 3. So 1, 2, 3. How many are left? Just 1. So I'll write 1 here. Okay. Same way you have to do this sheet. And this completes the work of your September. Okay. Take care. Bye bye. God bless you.